Hi friends, how are you? Today we brought the new video for you. Refrigeration department. Now we are, as you can see, we have the compressors in front of you. We have the two types of compressors over here, like which is more HP and which is low HP. So it is 2 HP and 3 HP compressor. We have the reciprocating open type compressor. So this is cooler belongs to our freezer. So here you can see the compressor. This is our discharge line and this is our section line. Our section line has been insulated due to the moisture presence in moisture may not appear here. On the top of the compressor we have the cutout switch, which is high pressure and low pressure. This belongs to the high pressure and this belongs to the low pressure. When the high pressure, like for example when the discharge pressure got high, it's not being properly like when the unit being like our silent valve is not working at the properly. So high pressure got the high pressure as we have said, our PSI for the 300 PSIG, and the compressor is trying to push the refrigerant, but the refrigerant is not opening because not running properly. Then the compressor head pressure increases. Due to the increase of head pressure, then we have the cutout safety over switch over here, so prevent our compressor winding not to burn. So let's see how the circuit is working exactly. As you can see, we have our discharge line over here, and the discharge line is coming towards here. Then we have the water cooled condenser present over here. As you can see, we have water cooled condenser, not air cooled condenser, not evaporative condenser. We have the water cooled condenser. Tube and tube condenser is basically rotating over here, where the refrigerant heat is being exchanged. After the refrigerant is being heat exchanged, then it's going towards the receiver. Here, the receiver, our refrigerant is totally in the liquid form. Receiver receives a total 100% in the liquid form. After refrigerant enter from the liquid form, we have the filter dryer present over here. As the filter dryer basically works for filtering the refrigerant and for drying of the refrigerant. For example, in refrigeration we have the moisture. From the moisture, where it comes? Moisture comes basically when we have the leakages in the flaring nuts or somewhere in the any area it got the leakages. When it can suck the ambient temperature from there, the refrigeration contains the moisture inside the refrigerant. So the filter and the dryer basically functions for this one only. Whenever there is any dust or bacteria presence in the freon, it's filter, and the dryer works for the absorb the moisture. So here you can see we have the side glass to observe refrigerant. As if we have the bubbling or something like that, then we can come to know that we have the fault in the system. As you can see that it's being little bit bubble, not much more, but I can say we have little bit somewhere a leakage in the system where the ambient temperature is coming inside the unit, like oxygen is coming inside the unit. From here our system is getting towards the inlet systems. It's going towards the inside, towards our in the cooling unit. From here it's going to the evaporator coil. When it's coming back, again we have the accumulator. Accumulator is present over here. So basically function for the accumulator is to prevent the liquid refrigerant enter into the compressor. As we have the accumulator present over here, as you can see we have the accumulator and the accumulator line coming towards the compressor, which is known as a section line. Accumulator is basically fit towards the section line. Functions of accumulator is to prevent the liquid freon passes in the compressor. The accumulator converts the liquid into vapor. Now here we have got the heat exchanging. As we have here the heat exchanging from vapor to the liquid. In the condenser, heat is being exchanged from vapor to the liquid, and accumulator it's converting from liquid to vapor state. So here we have the freon refrigerant receiver, which is suitable for the freon 22 and the 134 and 404 and 407 and 507A. So this is suitable for the 5 refrigerations which we can use easily. When the compressor discharges the refrigerant in the vapor form, compressor does not discharge the refrigerant in the liquid form. If the compressor discharges the refrigerant in the liquid form, then there are possibilities to burn the compressor winding. Here we say is going towards the low pressure, like for example 8 psi or 5 psi. It means that we have the leakages in the system. The reason the compressor is leaking the gas and it's not getting properly back to the suction line. Then we have the cutout switch which prevent the burning of the compressor. So, and coming to the next wiring, so here we have the diffuser which is connected to which is wiring over here. So whenever we are doing the maintenance, main electrical disconnector, like whenever we are doing the maintenance, we need to first put this one down, disconnect, then we need to put the DAC over here that it's under maintenance, do not open, and we need to make a seal over here. So then if you go towards here, as I have explained you that we have the water cooled condenser. So whenever we are opening the systems, we need to make sure that this is our chill water lining coming inside the unit, chill water lining. So whenever we are starting the compressor, do not forget to open the valve of the chill water line. If you forget to open the chill water line, then the compressor does not start, because whenever the condenser is not properly trying to heat exchange, as compressor is going to overheat, because the due to compressor is being overheat as condenser is not properly being condensed. That's the reason it's the possibilities to be happen over here. So make sure that whenever we are operating towards the water cooled systems, always the chill water lining should be on with the both the valves, inlet and the outlet of the valves.